Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got a really fun special treat for you today. So I'm going to be adding on to the GR Corolla. So let me show you what I've got without even wasting any time. I got this beautiful forged carbon fiber piece for the radiator cover right here. So let's go ahead and put it on. I am not gonna lie, this thing just looks amazing. So first thing, let's go ahead and just pop out all the caps right here, the little clips. So I'll get the M1 out of the way. I'm very excited because I wanted to have this before. I just got to see how it, a little bit of test fit. Oh yeah. I wanted to have it before the big, God, that is gorgeous. The big meet that we're having on May 4th up in Vancouver, BC. And wow, that is going to look beautiful. So, because I want to have the chief engineer for the GR Corolla is going to be at this meet, and I want him to sign this. So that will be awesome. So the only thing that I need to do is I need to go ahead and move this seal over to this one. And it doesn't look like they pre-drilled the holes for the little rubber pieces, to the little rubber tabs to pop through, so looks like I'll have to do that. And just so I show you guys how I'm taking this off, is I'm just kind of giving it a little tug, and then I'm taking a pick and just kind of squeezing this down through the hole, and to get the little rubber piece that pops through. Once you kind of get one side pulling through, you start on the other, and there we go. So now I can get that situated. So now I just need to mark the holes, and then we'll put this on just like that. So what I did is I took the OEM one and I put a piece of paper basically over it, and I poked the holes on it. The biggest problem with this is nothing wants to stick to this. So you kind of have to hold it as you go. But at least I've got the holes now. So now I can transfer this piece. It did stick to the back of it, which is good because at least I've got a firm part on the front where I can take this to. So what I want to do is I just want to get these two holes equidistant, essentially. Now the tape really wants to stick to this. Okay. Like that. Right, like that. Okay. Now I can see this will stick better, so this will be better for marking it. Alrighty, so I got my holes drilled in there. And the front two here are actually a little bit bigger than the other 5, so I just found drill bits that, you know, fit both. Alright, now I can place this back down. There we go. And before I clip it in, I'm going to wipe it down, and I'm actually going to ceramic coat it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it down. There we go. Breaking in a brand new bottle. Wind sure is blowing around today. Ooh, that really pops now. Just a real light wipe here. I just want to level the ceramic. That is pretty. I'm going to take another clean towel. And this time, kind of buff it more. Okay. Now ceramic, if you ever want to do 2 coats, you can, but you should wait for the first one to truly dry up and harden. So I always wait till the next day to do another one if I want. Not worried as much about this because it won't be in the elements per se. Now we can take our clips and put them back in. There we go, guys. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there we have the GRMods matte carbon fiber radiator cover, core support cover, whatever you want to call it. It's looking good. Looking very, very nice. I like it. So, well, there we go, guys. Any questions, comments, anything like that, please holler. And, you know, I'd sure appreciate it if you would subscribe. And if you already do, like and keep supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. I really do. I do this to help other people see things and how to do things, and hopefully give them the ability to do and work on things and give them ideas for mods and whatnot. So anyway, until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.